Hi, first graders. We are going to get started with our sound warm-up just like we did yesterday. So let's get right into it. I am going to say 3 words. I want you to only repeat the 2 words that rhyme. Best, last, west. Good. Best, west. Those rhyme. Runt, hunt, cub. Runt, hunt are the ones that rhyme. Okay, we're going to keep going. I'm not going to tell you all of the correct answers because I want you to think of what you think the correct answer is as we go along. Here are the next 3 words. Hand, land, had. Which 2 rhyme? Went, wet, bent. Vet, vest, best. Pat, cost, lost. Which 2 rhyme? Cat, cast, past. Milk, mile, silk. Risk, fit, whisk. Left, bet, theft. That was a tricky one. Left and theft are the ones that rhymed. Very good. All right. I am going to read 2 words. I want you to keep your eyes open if they have the same blend at the beginning. I want you to close your eyes if they do not have the same blend at the beginning of the word. Here we go. Flag, fly. Same blend at the beginning, full. Glue, clue. Slide, slow. Blame, cloud. Class, clothes. Those have the same blend, cl. Flip, plump. Gleam, clean. Please, pliers. Those have the same blend. Sleek, slim. Those also have the same blend at the beginning. Good. All right. This is the part where I chop up each sound in a word and you blend the sounds together to say the whole word. Here's the example. B-r-ag. And you go, brag. My turn. S-k-ate. Skate. Sled. Sled. Smash. Smash. Snip. Snip. Spider. Spider. Steam. Steam. Sweater. Sweater. Slippers. Slippers. Spin. Spin. Slides. Slides. Very good. All right, we're going to keep moving on here. Just like yesterday, today I'm going to say a word and you are going to listen to the vowel in the middle of the word. So for example, if I say hot, you would listen and say the vowel sound you hear in the beginning. What is it? Good. Ah. And is that a short or a long vowel sound? You've got it. It's a short vowel sound. Today might be a little bit different from yesterday, so listen carefully. Here we go. Bake. What's the sound in the middle? A. Very good. And if the vowel is saying its name like that, is it a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound? Yep, it's a long vowel sound. Let's keep going. Kite. I. Good. Is that a short or long vowel sound? Long vowel. What about toad? What's the sound in the middle? Oh, very good. Is that a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound? Long vowel. Nice. Say, listen to the vowel sound in mule. That's a tricky one. That's been one of our spelling words before. You. Good. Is you a short vowel sound or long vowel? You've got it. It's a long vowel. Couple more. Came. Good. A is the vowel sound. Is it short or long? It's long also. Last one. Meet. What's that middle vowel sound? E. Very good. And is it short vowel or long vowel? You've got it. It's a long vowel. E. Nice job. Okay, this time I'm going to say a word. Repeat the word after me and then chop it up into the sounds. All right, here I go. Skin. Repeat the word and chop it. S-k-in. Slow. S-l-o. Smell. S-m-l. Smacks. S-m-ack. Don't forget that last sound. Space. S-p-ace. Stack. Stack. Sweeter. Sweeter. Skunk. Sk-unk. Swim. Swim. Skip. Skip. Very good. All right, this time I'm going to say a word. Repeat the word after me. Change the beginning blend to a different blend and tell me the new word. Here we go. Say blow. Change bl to sn and the word is snow. You've got it. Say sleep. Change sl to st and the word is steep. Say grain. Change gr to st and the word is stain. Say plate. Change pull to sl and the word is slate. Good. Say shout. Change sh to sk and the word is scout. Say play. Change pull to str and the word is stray. Say great. Change gr to sk and the word is skate. Say clay. Change kul to sul and the word is slay. You've got it. All right, now I'm going to say a word or a word part, and this time I'm going to add a sound at the beginning. You'll remember the sound from yesterday. And then we're going to clap our hands together to say the whole word. All right, here we go. Say key. Add s at the beginning and the word is ski. Say lip. Add s at the beginning and the word is slip. Say moky. Add s at the beginning and the word is smoky. Say tapler. Add s at the beginning and the word is stapler. Say weeper. Add s at the beginning and the word is sweeper. Make sure your snake is staying in its cage behind your teeth like this when you're making the s sound. Very good. Say mac. Add s at the beginning and the word is smack. Say nail. Add s at the beginning and the word is snail. Say pell. Add s at the beginning and the word is spell. All right, this time we say a word and you repeat the word. I say the word first, you repeat the word, and then I'm going to take away part of the word. You tell me what's left. Here we go. Say sky. Without s, what's left? Kai. Say slide. Without s, what's left? Lied. Say snake. Without s, what's left? Neek. Say spine. Without s, what's left? Pine. Say swish. Without s, what's left? Wish. Say skater. Without s, what's left? Cater. Say slope. Without s, what's left? Lope. Last one, say sleep. Without s, what's left? Leap. You've got it. All right, first grade, that's all for our sound warm up today. Nice job, and I'll see you back tomorrow.